Hello, dear students. This is Dr. Adil Aziz Momin from Department of Chemistry, JIT Arts, Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon. And today I brought for you a new topic, carbocation, and an introduction. Okay, this is an introduction to carbocation, a simple and very basic topic, especially in organic chemistry. This topic is included in the syllabus of FYBSc as well as MSc first year. So MSc first year chemistry. So today we will discuss carbocation, and we will see under this carbocation its definition, structure and geometry, characteristic features of carbocation, then methods of its formation, then factors affecting stability of carbocation, that is somewhat vast topic, and then reactions and applications of carbocations we will discuss in short. What is carbocation? Okay, its definition: any species with positively charged carbon can be called as carbocation. कोई भी ऐसी स्पेसीज जिसके अंदर कार्बन पर पॉजिटिव चार्ज हो उसे कार्बोकैटायन कहते हैं. एंड कार्बोकैटायंस आर ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज कार्बोनियम आयन्स. ओके, कार्बोनियम आयन्स भी कहते हैं कार्बोकैटायंस को. लेट अस सी नेक्स्ट कार्बोकैटायन. कार्बोकैटायन की ज्योमेट्री क्या होती है और उसका हाइब्रिडाइजेशन क्या पॉसिबल है. ओके, यू नो कार्बोकैटायन इज़ अ कार्बन which is trivalent, which is attached to three different species, and there is one vacant orbital. So means there are only three orbitals containing electrons around the carbon. एक ऑर्बिटल पूरी वैकेंट है, सिर्फ तीन ऑर्बिटल्स ऐसे हैं जिनमें दो दो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं और वो तीनों भी बॉन्डेड पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं. तो जैसे कि यहाँ पे ड्रॉ किया गया है स्ट्रक्चर. सो let us see, these are the three bonds around the carbon and there is one vacant orbital जो ये तीनों को perpendicular रहेंगी. So the geometry of this carbocation becomes trigonal planar. Only three orbitals will take part in hybridization and it will be sp2 hybridized. कार्बोकैटायन का हाइब्रिडाइजेशन sp2 होता है और उसकी ज्योमेट्री ट्राइगोनल प्लेनर होती है. ओके, लेट अस सी नेक्स्ट. There are some salient features of carbocations. So first one is carbon bears positive charge. Then central carbon has three bonds. Okay, it is trivalent species. Carbon has three bonds. Then central carbon atom possesses 6 valence electrons. कार्बोकैटायंस में कार्बन के अराउंड में 6 वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते हैं क्योंकि एक एटॉमिक ऑर्बिटल उसकी वैकेंट है, अनहाइब्रिडाइज्ड भी है वो. द सेंट्रल कार्बन आइटम इज sp2 हाइब्रिडाइज्ड. कार्बोकैटायन का जो कार्बन है पॉजिटिवली चार्जड कार्बन वो sp2 हाइब्रिडाइज्ड होता है. उसकी ज्योमेट्री ट्राइगोनल प्लेनर होती है. उसके अराउंड में 6 वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते हैं और वो कार्बन ट्राइवैलेंट होता है. 3 बॉन्ड्स होते हैं उसके अराउंड में और कार्बन पर पॉजिटिव चार्ज होता है. दीज आर सम सेलिएंट फीचर्स ऑफ कार्बोकैटायन. देन वी विल सी फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कार्बोकैटायन. फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कार्बोकैटायन से कुछ मेथड्स मैंने यहाँ पे स्पेसिफाई किए हैं, जिनमें से पहला है हेटेरोलिटिक फिशन ऑफ न्यूट्रल स्पेसीज. ऑफ कोर्स हेटेरोलिटिक फिशन जनरेट चार्जड स्पेसीज कैटायंस एंड एनायंस. जब भी कोई बॉन्ड हेटेरोलिटिकली ब्रेक होता है तो कैटायंस और एनायंस बनते हैं. सो कार्बोकैटायन कैन बी जनरेटेड फ्रॉम हेटेरोलिटिक फिशन when species around the carbon goes away with bonded electron pair. For example, here we have shown Br is going out along with the bonded electron pair, so leaving carbon behind with 3 bonds and a positive charge. यहाँ पे Br माइनस बनेगा और कार्बन पर पॉजिटिव चार्ज आएगा with 3 bonds and there is formation of carbocation. There will be formation of carbocation when any species around the carbon leaves along with the bonded electron pair. In such cases we will get a carbocation. Okay, यहाँ पर एग्जाम्पल भी दिया है, और बेंजील क्लोराइड, बेंजाइल क्लोराइड नीचे और एक एग्जाम्पल है. क्लोरीन लीव्स विथ bonded electron pair, so there is formation of benzyl cation. This is benzyl cation, PHCH2 plus. Okay, you can next there is another method mentioned for the formation of carbocation. Addition of a cation like proton or any other electrophile to neutral species. किसी भी न्यूट्रल स्पेसीज में किसी प्रोटॉन या इलेक्ट्रोफाइल की एडिशन होना, इसमें भी कार्बोकेटाइन जनरेट होता है. फॉर एग्जांपल, 2 एग्जांपल्स आर शोन बिलो. एडिशन ऑफ प्रोटॉन अक्रॉस कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड. यूजुअली दिस हैपन्स इन मार्कोनिकॉफ्स रूल. एडिशन ऑफ HBr, दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप इन एडिशन ऑफ HBr अक्रॉस कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड, unsymmetrical alkene, especially in Markovnikov's rule. In that case, what happen? If H plus is added across carbon carbon double bond, then we will get a carbocation. Okay, there is another example on the lower side. Reaction of this carbonyl compound with H2SO4 acid. Okay, so this is just a protonation. In this protonation, what will happen? Oxygen will get protonated, then oxygen will acquire positive charge, and after resonance this bond will open towards oxygen, and then such a carbocation species will be formed. Okay, when this carbon double bond oxygen will open, it will acquire, carbon will get positive charge, and oxygen, positive charge on oxygen will get neutralized in this way by resonance effect. So this is another method of formation of carbocation. Okay, let us see the next slide. There is another method from other cations. Carbocations can be generated from other cations also. For example, there is diazonium salt. There is alkyl diazonium salt here. Okay, in this N2 is very good leaving group, and which leaves along with the bonded electron pair, and a neutral N2 molecule leaves out. N2 molecule यहाँ पे निकल जाता है, और leaving behind there is positively charged cationic species carbocation. R plus is carbocation. So from other cations you can prepare carbocation like this from alkyl diazonium salt or aryl diazonium salt. Okay, next example is given from other cations. You know this species, triphenyl methyl cation, triphenyl methyl cation, CpH3 plus. So this is highly basic species and highly acidic species, and it takes away hydride from any molecule. So this is cyclopentatrienyl. Okay, cyclopentatriene. This compound is cyclopentatriene, and it has one methylene group, CH2 group, whose protons are, you know, it easily give away hydride H minus. There is cationic CpH3 plus. It will take away hydride from this cyclopentatriene, because the product formed this tropylium cation, it is called as cycloheptatrienyl cation, is called as tropylium cation, because it is famously known as tropylium cation because it is aromatic in nature. So it easily, this cycloheptatriene, this starting compound, easily loses hydride, because this formed cation, tropylium cation, is aromatic in nature. Okay, so it easily loses hydride to this CpH3 plus, and it forms triphenylmethane and tropylium cation. So from other cations you can prepare carbocations. Then factors affecting stability of carbocation. These are very vast topic, and we will discuss them separately, like effect of inductive effect on stability of carbocation, then resonance effect, then NGP also affects stability of carbocation, hyperconjugation है, aromatization है, okay, solvation effect है. These are the different factors which affects stability of carbocation. and we will discuss them in a separate lecture because it needs a longer time. Now let us see next topic, what are the reactions or applications of carbocation. Okay, few reactions I have mentioned here. Pinacol rearrangement, in which 1,2-diol is converted into some ketone. So in that rearrangement, carbocation is generated. Then there is another Wagner-Merwin rearrangement, very famous reaction. Less stable carbocation to more stable carbocation is formed from 1,2 migration by 1,2 migration or 1,3 sigmatropic shifts. So that is Wagner-Merwin rearrangement. Then Tiffino-Demjano rearrangement, again one more rearrangement reaction, and it is for amino alcohols. Okay, in which diazotization is carried out in first step, then carbocation is generated, and then migration or ring expansion, ring such a reactions occurs. Okay, that is Tiffino-Demjano rearrangement. We will discuss them separately in detail in another lecture. Then all nucleophilic substitution reactions following SN1 path, all of you have heard about this. SN1 reaction takes place via formation of carbocation. Okay, so carbocation involves in all of these reactions and many more reactions. You will refer books for them. Okay, thank you very much for your kind attention, and also you can subscribe to a channel of our JIT Art Science and Commerce College for more upcoming videos. Thank you all of you.